Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to set your video format to standard YouTube size in Capcut. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to set your video to standard YouTube size, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, of course, you will need to create your Capcut project in order to edit a video. So just tap this to create one. And then you will now see all the videos in your device, so just select the one that you want to edit. And after that, you will now have a Capcut project where you can edit a video. So I will now show you how to set the video format to YouTube standard size. So to do that, first, I want you to swipe the toolbar to the right until you find the aspect ratio option. And once you've found it, just go and tap it. So here in aspect ratio is where you can change the format of your Capcut video. You can choose many different formats right here. And since the format that we want is a standard YouTube video size, this is what we should select. And after selecting it, it's done. Your video format will automatically be set to standard YouTube size. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.